A is for Abyssinian. B is for bobolink. Song, song, song. C is for common buzzard. D is for desert iguana. E is for Egyptian goose. F is for fox squirrel. G is for guinea pig. Weak, weak. H is for harvestman. Click, click. I is for Indian crested porcupine. Rattle, rattle. J is for Javan kingfisher. Rattle, rattle. K is for king vulture. L is for lynx. Yowl, yowl. M is for monarch caterpillar. Rasp, rasp. N is for Newfoundland pony. Nail, nail. O is for olive baboon. P is for pampas cat. Q is for Queensland python. Hiss. R is for red-backed shrike. Chatter, chatter. S is for stink bug. Buzz, buzz. T is for Tanimbar corella. Scream, scream. U is for Winter sagebrush lizard.
Up, down, up, down.
V is for vermiculated fishing owl. Hoo, hoo, hoo. The letter V, Scotopelia.
W is for woolly monkey. Hiss, hiss. The letter X, Gloideus.
Y is for yellow hammer, little bit of bread and no cheese. Cheese, 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 cheese.
Z is for zebra swallowtail. One more. Yes, yes, yes. A is for Argentine tegu. B is for Bombay cat. C is for cinnamon bear. Woof, woof. D. E is for European bee eater. F is for feather-tailed glider. G is for giant isopod. H is for Highland cattle dog. Is for Indian saw-scaled viper. Raspy, raspy. J is for Javanese snake. K is for katydid, katydid, katydid. is for long-winged kite. M is for Malayan civet.
Chitter, chitter.
N is for Northern Harrier.
Kia, kia, kia. O is for orb weaver spider.
P is for Portuguese water dog.
Q is for quaking minor bee. Buzz, buzz. R is for red-tailed boa. Hiss, hiss. S is for snail. T is for Tasmanian pademelon.
U is for ornate Euromastix. The letter U, Arabian gem.
W is for wren, tea kettle.
Tea kettle.
X is for xeric tree frog.
Y is for yellow-breasted capuchin. The letter Y, sapajus.
Z is for zorilla. The letter Z, ictonix.
The bunny says hop, hop, hop. One more. A is for anemone crab. B
Is for Bongo.
C is for crab-eating macaque. D is for dwarf sperm whale. E is for elegant tern. Kiki, kiki. F is for false coral snake. G is for Gila monster. Hiss, hiss. H is for hoverfly. Brr.
I is for Indian mongoose.
Chatter, chatter.
J is for Jordan's babbler.
Chatter, chatter. K is for Korean dindo. Woo, woo. L is for long-billed curlew. M is for Mexican free-tailed bat. N is for nightjar. O is for onager.
P is for polar bear. Q is for Queensland day gecko. Click. Is for ring-tailed lemur.
S is for scimitar horned oryx.
T is for Taiwan scimitar babbler. U is for umbrella bird.
Boom, boom.
The letter U, cephalopterus. V is for Verreaux's eagle. Kiki. The letter V, Gila.
W is for wandering albatross.
X is for Jingu snail eater. The letter X, Drepanoids. Y is for yellow mongoose. Chirp, chirp.
Z is for Zanzibar red colobus.